Today guys, let's tour this gigantic tiny house. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's almost 1,000 square feet. It is under $100,000. Yes, it is for sale. It is brand new. Let's do the walk around. This is roughly about 900 square feet. You can see does have a porch, just like a tiny house. There's residential windows, vinyl siding, metal handrail, pressure treated deck floor, has a storm door, this is a laminate flooring. It looks like it's done in a light gray. So it has like a textured ceiling. It's not popcorn. The kitchen has a faux granite. Cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, as you can see. It looks like it comes with your stainless steel appliances. This is 924 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2 baths, 14 wide and 70 long. Sunshine. Has a washer and dryer room here. It's basically your utility room. Set up with your thermostat, your box, your secondary door. It's a double panel doors in here, more modern. Stainless steel hardware finishes throughout. Heating, cooling ducts in the floor. That's your first bedroom, first bath. Light, shower, mode, going into the, which would be like the master or the big bedroom, more modern window design, closet, another closet, basically right there. Full shower. So there you go. Almost 1,000 square feet. This thing is very well priced. Price on this is done monthly. It is $700 a month. So if you're interested in getting this unit, comment below and I will get you in contact with the people to get you into this unit. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to the next one.